Hi, welcome to Bless Brown Kitchen. You know we love to talk about sweet and delicious food. Yes, I love when food nice, spicy and sweet. So I'm going to cook some. Want to share it? Yes. Like a secret? Yes. But I'm going to share it with you. Because I love all of my subscribers and you're a part of Bless Brown Kitchen. So I'm going to cook some ginger saltfish boiled dumpling. So this is the amount of ginger I'm going to use. I have 2 pieces of ginger ready peel and wash. I'm going to grate it to make the dumpling. So this is the amount of saltfish I'm going to use, about ½ pound of saltfish to make the dumpling. I'm going to boil it 2 times. Then I'm going to remove all the bone from the saltfish before I make my dumpling. So you don't have to grate your ginger, you can blend it also, okay? I finished grating it, so I'm going to get it inside here. Get in some water. I don't need this trash inside of my dumpling. I can blend it, but I prefer grater it, because when you blend it you still have some little trash like inside the dumpling. I don't want to taste it inside my dumpling, so that's why I grater it. So I'm going to squeeze it now. Just like you do coconut when you grate it, right? I'm going to strain it off. Get the strong ginger water to make your dumpling. So I'm going to cook the saltfish now to make the dumpling. So I'm going to show you something you can do if it's a person with health-wise. I cannot eat a lot of salt because of high blood pressure and all those things, illness, and you want to enjoy your dumpling. I'm going to show you something what you can do to enjoy your dumpling. Don't say you're going to make your dumpling sweetie, no. After you finish boiling your saltfish, you're going to just take it and wash it off, right? So I'm going to show you, you're going to use a spoon full of sugar to remove the extra salt from your saltfish. So look at it. The first water we put in the sugar to remove the extra salt from the saltfish, and this is the second water we're using. Look at it, so white and pretty. Break up the saltfish in small pieces, because when you bite a dumpling you want to taste the saltfish. So I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to put in the saltfish now. chiffon butter. You're right. Make the dumpling nice and nice. So let's mix it. Ginger Saltfish Dumpling. The chiffon butter is very good for your heart. Yes. As the butter don't carry a lot of salt or those things, right? It's healthy for you. Okay. So we're going to get in our ginger water now. Ginger smells nice. Saltfish should mix up properly in height, because you want, when you bite that dumpling, you don't want some part of the saltfish and some part don't have the saltfish, you know. So look on it, you don't need any meat enough now. What kind of meat we need? Look at the saltfish. Wow! So it's time to get in the dumpling. The water start to bubble up. So guys, every break you break the dumpling. This is saltfish. Yeah, honey. Saltfish, break it. This is. So we're going to check on the dumpling. So we're going to make it stay for 5 more minutes, so we're going to move the flame. So we're going to check, and the ginger dumpling. So our ginger saltfish dumpling looks so delicious. And thank you to watch my video. Thank you to subscribe to my channel. Love you. God bless you. And bye.